Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's paint this grand terracotta jewelry set. If you want to see the making of this jewelry set, I have uploaded a part 1 making video. I'll give the link in the description, you can check it. So for painting this pendant I have chosen gold bronze, green and red. So while painting such pendants, try to use a dry brush, don't mix much water with the paint. I am just highlighting the embossed portion. So this is how it looks after 2 to 3 coats. So now I'm going to use a red color to create a stonework look for this pendant. And finally our pendant is ready. See how beautiful it has come out. So now I'm going to paint the beads. Here I have two types of beads. One is that textured bead and other one is a normal bead. For textured bead, always use a dry brush so that the texture get highlighted. Let the first coat dry completely and then you go for the second and the third one. So this is how the beads look after the third coat. And now let's paint the jhumkas. All the jewelry pieces are ready to assemble. Before assembling, we should varnish the jewelry pieces. And this is how it looks after applying varnish. For assembling the jewelry, I have made a separate detailed video. I'll give the link in the description, you can check it. To shop this product, WhatsApp to the given number. Visit my Instagram and Facebook page for more collections. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.